Let me introduce myself. My name is John Vito. You can me you can call me Vito. I come from Palman. I graduated from State Vocational High School, once Ngatimilak. I was born in Bintang village on 4 October. I am 21 years old. I have two siblings, one older brother and one little sister. My hobbies are fishing. Now I live in Kota Baru Street. My favorite color is black. Uh, and the thing I like the most is coffee. That's all about me. Thank you.